Hey guys, my name's Anthony from LRA Auto Museum and Sales, and today we'll be checking out our 2010 Corvette ZR1 in Velocity Yellow. The C6 Corvette ZR1 is truly one of a kind. This is the Corvette that really put General Motors and their performance team on the map when it came to building supercars for future generations. This car is extremely light at a little over 3,300 pounds and an almost 50-50 weight distribution. If you take a look, there's carbon fiber all over the car. From its front lip to the hood to the top of the car, there was no expense spared when trying to make this car as light as possible for performance reasons. Chevrolet and its design team really outdid themselves with this car. I mean, it's absolutely magnificent. They offered plenty of amazing color specs in this car as well. Only 89 were made in Velocity Yellow in the year 2010. If you look at the body lines of this car, it's all straight for aerodynamics, you know, body pockets here to catch more air, to keep the car more stable. Another amazing feature on this car are the beautiful chrome rims. I love it personally. And if you come take a look at the rim over here as well too, you'll see that they're outfitted with carbon ceramic brakes. These were some of the best brakes money could buy at the time. Now let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood is an LS9 supercharged 6.2 liter V8. And what's amazing about this motor is it produces 638 horsepower and 604 pound-foot of torque. What's really amazing about this motor too is this is the only car you could get the LS9 in. They didn't make any other cars. The ZL1 had a different motor, the Corvette Z06 had the LS7 in it. This was the only car you could get the LS9 in. It's truly a gem of a motor. It's a beast. All right, enough talking. Let's go take it for a ride. Now, there's a few great features in the car as well too. You know, it has a Tremec 660 in it to put the power down to the rear, which is a 343 rear in it. So you have, you know, great power in low gear and you have great power in high gear. It goes 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 205 miles per hour. And if you look, there's a really nice aftermarket Kenwood touchscreen radio that was put in. This car also has selective ride for its magnetic suspension. It can go from sport mode to touring mode in just the regular selective ride settings, or if you press traction control twice, you can select performance traction where you can go from wet to dry to sport mode and many other different modes, turning traction control off for the track and for the ultimate driver's experience. These cars are truly a treat to drive. I mean, you could teach a 15-year-old how to drive this thing. It's so smooth. It rides amazing. Rides like a Cadillac, performs like a Corvette. It's the beauty about this car. You know, for a little over $100,000, you're getting Ferrari-level performance. This car was actually faster around the track than the Ferrari 458, which came out the same year and was $150,000 to $200,000 more than this vehicle. Just listen to this thing and feel the power. This car is guaranteed to put a smile on your face or you get your money back. I can promise you that. With a little over 5,500 miles as well, this car is pretty fresh. You know, great exterior, great interior. If you take a look around, like I said, new Kenwood was put in it. This car has Bose speakers on the inside. But what you really buy this for is the motor, the transmission, the performance, the speed. Everything about this car is amazing. Chevrolet outdid themselves. It's got a full heads-up display that you can switch to track mode, to street mode, to touring mode, different RPMs, different gauges up on there as well. It even has a measure for G's, because that's how much this car actually pulls. It's so fast. Just listen to that thing. That supercharged 6.2 liter screaming. This car only wants to go. Wheel spin all through first and second. That was about half pedal. There's so much more this car can do. This car's completely stock as well. There's not a single thing done to it besides service. It's amazing. It is the whole package. There's nothing that beats it. It's such a treat to drive. This is really the car that got me into sports cars and muscle cars and everything like that. When I was about 11 years old, my dad bought a Jetstream Blue ZR1. It was a layover at Reedman Toll because They sold for the first 2 years pretty well, but then after that, production kind of staggered and people didn't buy them as much, so he found one. It was a year layover. It's the beautiful Jetstream blue. And I just have so many amazing memories with my dad in that car, you know, having fun. And what's crazy is, too, he drives 2 race cars. He drives a 1,200 horsepower dragster and a 900 to 1,000 horsepower Corvette on the drag strip. And he says this thing scares him a lot more than those cars do. So that tells you something. Sounds so good. You could put it in 3rd or 4th gear and just drive around town. It goes up to 62 miles per hour all the way in 1st gear. So in 3rd and 4th, it's got you covered with enough power to go, you know, from low speeds, and you're not going to shift out of it. You got ice cold AC, does 11.2 seconds in the quarter mile with the stock tires on it. Put a radial on it, I have no idea what it'll do, at least in the 10s. Thank you guys for coming along on the ride with me. This car is for sale. If you want to inquire about the car, you can call 215-781-3790 or visit our website at www.lraautomuseumandSales.com. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube or go on our social medias and give it a like or a comment. Thank you and have a great day.